All right, let me talk to you about the importance of motions. And this isn't legal advice, right? If you need legal advice, get yourself a competent attorney or lawyer, but ask them for their license to practice law. Practice law. Not the admissions to the bar, but their actual license if it exists, right? Why is motion practice so important? Because I watch a lot of videos and I hear people go into court arguing to a trier of fact as opposed to voicing themselves through court process. Your voice is only heard through your motion practice. Just like your voice is only heard through the appellate division of the Supreme Court level through your motion practice and your objections. That's the only way you can move the court. That's the motion, right? In that sea of commerce. That's how you move that boat. You have to move the court with court process, affidavit, motion. They're all motions because you're moving the court as the moving party. Because you are a party to a claim, you are a moving party, right? Burden shifts to the plaintiff for their claim, but when one is trying to clear their name, you are also a moving party, especially when you challenge jurisdiction through motion or affidavit. Well, you're not going to challenge it through motion. You're going to move or demand the court to dismiss based on lack of through affidavit challenging such, correct? And this isn't legal advice. So that's why the motion practice is important because you have a chance to put case law and be heard through the court. Then there's affirmation and oppositions to motions, and then you have the re-reply, the re-response after they give their view of it, and you get the last say-so on your motion because you moved the court. So that's the importance of a motion. And a lot of people want to go in the courts or the venues, the tribunals, and argue their claim as opposed to stating their claim through proper work, going through proper paperwork. And if they choose to go into the court after they safeguard themselves, they stand on the paperwork that they filed. That's it. But I still see no reason to go in there and state a claim as opposed to doing it through court process with the witness, the United States Postal Service, through notarized documents. That's just me. But your motion practice is very important, and you should practice on how to write motions as opposed to trying to retain case law, because what goes in those motions? You have to have a claim, right? And it has to be backed by facts. It has to be backed by precedent, Supreme Court case law, right? Standing, merit, and foundation. Without that, it is also a frivolous claim. Stay sharp.